Hey everybody, today we have a Toro recycler 22-inch that was at my neighbor's house with a cardboard sign on it that said free. So we grabbed it. Don't know what's going on with it. The rear tires are pretty bald because it is a rear-wheel drive mower. The deck appears to be, I don't know, can you flip it up a little bit, G Junior? This way. I don't know exactly what happened to the deck there, but it's a little crushed there. It's on down dirty. It does have gas in it. It's got a little bit of gas in it. It does smell okay. Have we checked the oil? It's got oil's kind of nasty, but it does have oil. On the side here, it's in August of 2010, so it's a 20-year-old mower.
20-year-old mower.
I mean, a 10-year-old mower, excuse me. Why don't you go ahead and give it a pull over and see what it does. It says guaranteed to start. Does it have a primer bulb?
No, I don't think so.
No primer bulb. All right, guaranteed to start.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, there's 3. All right, hand me the starting fluid. Let's shoot a little bit in the air cleaner. Now, I'm not even gonna take the air cleaner off. I'll just shoot it in. I know where to shoot it in. So on these Briggs & Strattons, that's the air inlet right there. Just take a little bit of starting fluid and, all right, try it now. Pace self-propelled system. Let's see if it works. Does it work? This one here definitely needs to have the oil change, and we're going to clean it up. Let's flip it on its side. Let's take a look at the blade real quick. It does have a mulching blade on it, and the blade has a couple chunks at it, and this is bent up here. We'll have to straighten that out, but I don't see why we just can't straighten this one up and give it a nice bath, and we'll put this one up on Craigslist. I don't think there's really much we need to do to it. All right, everybody, well, there's a real quick one on a mower we had out for the trash that said free on it. A Toro recycler 22-inch, no bag, rear-wheel drive. Everything seems to work on it. We'll probably let it run. We'll probably sell it to spring. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Please like and share.